In this series of GoLang, how to use string. We'll see some functions of string as well. So to declare a string variable, you need to use var and then the string example. String variable, I can have string 1, and then I need to give this data type as string. Okay. Now, since you have defined the string variable, you need to initialize it as well. So str1, how to initialize it? Hello go. Okay, and if you need to print it, string values, let's save it and then let's print it. So you can see string value hello go printed. Now let's so if you need to find the length of the string, there is a function available, strlen. So I'll use len and let's save it. String length, and this will give you the length of the string. Now if you need to concatenate the strings, that also is possible. So let's define message, define an array, string welcome Jitu message. If I'll print before concat, and to concat it I'll use another functions, strings dot join method. So here I am adding message comma GoLang. Okay, strings is available in string package, so I need to import it. So I've imported it. Okay, so let's save it and print it. So you can see that I had printed before concat, and then I had printed this on this. Let's give some space so that we can clearly see the concatenation parts. After welcome, we have concatenated GoLang. Okay, so that's how so string concatenation, this join function will concat the strings, and the length function will give you the length of the string, and this is how you can define the string variable in Go. We are making these short videos so that you don't have to spend much time in learning one specific concept in Go. In the next videos we'll see some more functions related to Go. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and if you think the videos are helpful, do like the video and subscribe to the channel.